Welcome to today's post-market analysis. So let's begin with FIA data as per usual. Okay. So in FIA data, we can see that there has been a lot of selling in index futures, specifically saying Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. Sorry. So our sentiment looking at this FIA data would be that the market will stay bearish or either will be bearish throughout the day. Then let's move to index levels that we gave in the morning. So in Nifty, we can see that although the market was kept up, it fell down, and then we can see that it stayed range bound throughout the whole day. In Bank Nifty, similar things happened. So it did gap up, and it remained in that particular range, and throughout the whole day it was just a sideways market. It was a seller's market, option seller's market throughout the whole day. But we'll look at OI data and everything today, what it showed. Okay, so to begin with Bank Nifty, we can see that in the morning the data was slightly bearish, bullish, and all over the place. And after 10:40, it showed a bullish trend, and it was mostly bullish throughout the whole day. So at 10:40, it was at around let me just see, from 9:55 to 9:52. So it was sideways throughout the whole day. It remained that in that range. And in Nifty, it was again, everything was all over the place. So in the morning, there was slightly bearish sentiments in the morning, but not really much interested in any directions throughout the whole day. And we can look at PCR as well if you want. So okay, in PCR we can see on both in Nifty throughout the whole day it was a selling, but we can see that the PCR itself wasn't very low, so there was no point of in buying put options because PCR does not support a position there. Same for Bank Nifty, it wasn't really strong bullish throughout the whole day. So today's market was very boring, we can say, because not many trades were generated or the data wasn't supporting in either directions. But we can, if you are aggressive, then you can trade in Bank Nifty after at around 11:45 when the PCR was 1.4 over here. But that time Nifty wasn't really in favor, but if you are aggressive, then you can 11:45. So at around here, at this point. But then you can see that from there it was sideways throughout the whole day. So there wasn't really point in trading today, basically. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.